Hello and welcome to the Hellenic Odyssey kitchen. My name is Kelly and I will be your host for today. I will be taking you on a culinary journey to the island of Crete, the largest of all the Greek islands in Greece. I will be making the very popular and well-known dish referred to as Dakos. It is made using barley rusks, which are essentially bread loaves that have been dehydrated in order to be preserved for a longer amount of time. These barley rusks are then topped with grated tomato, olive oil, oregano and salt. There are two types of rusks that you could use to make the Cretan Dakos. This is the barley rusk, which is one large piece, so it's an individual serve, or these wholemeal rusks, which are much smaller, and you could use 2 or 3 per serve. The barley rusks are then topped up with a mizithra cheese, which is only known in the island of Crete. However, here in Australia, we're not able to get hold of that, so we use a mixture of ricotta and feta cheese. And to begin assembling the Cretan Dakos, you want to pop your Dakos rusk into the water, submerge it, and give it a couple of seconds in there because this is the thicker one, so it will need quite a little bit of water to become rehydrated again. I like to do a drizzle of olive oil to begin with. Then you top that off with your tomato. That's the grated tomato. The combination of the ricotta and feta on top. A generous sprinkling of oregano, a little bit of salt, and then just to finish that off, you want a generous sprinkle of olive oil on top again. Let that sit for about 5 to 10 minutes before serving, and enjoy.